Hello everyone, we are from Kill Code Phobia. This idea originated from our interaction with our peers, where we found that a lot of them avoided coding as they were not able to grasp the logic from just the syntax. This is a big weakness nowadays as industries are becoming more and more code oriented. We aim to remove this fear by providing an easy to understand visual based teaching tool where teachers can create a visualization of any algorithm. Our final product will incorporate an algorithmic language that empowers teachers to generate examples and algorithms dynamically within the classroom itself. Now, our target market is untapped. Our research has shown that teachers feel the need for such a tool, and with the growth of the education sector, there is a large number of students who enter engineering colleges every single year. Our product can also be tailored to meet every customer's needs. So basically, we have a product that satisfies a scalable market. Now this here is our business model canvas. Our primary target customers are engineering institutes and some select schools. Our secondary customers would be coding enthusiasts and beginners. We aim to generate our customer base by going to institutions and conducting demos and workshops. We can also target individual students through social networking sites. We will be continuously monitoring students' performance after using the product, and we will be collecting data and feedback from our customers on how we can improve. As for our revenue stream, we will be employing an annual subscription model where we charge institutions a flat rate of 100 rupees per student. We will also be charging for any additional feature that they may opt for in the future. Now coming to traction, we have built an MVP that visualizes standard algorithms that are part of the syllabus. We have received positive feedback from a few potential customers, and they are very much impressed with the idea of the algorithmic language that we aim to incorporate in the final product. Here is a short demo of our MVP. Here we can see a list of the available algorithms. We see an example of sorting algorithm where we can randomize arrays. We can even change the animation speed. We can speed it up or slow it down depending on our requirement. The teacher can even choose to step forward or step back in order to explain in detail how the algorithm works. And once the teacher is done, you can just finish the algorithm by pressing the skip forward button. Here is an example of a binary search tree. Here a teacher can enter values for each node of the tree, and we see how the visualization is constructed. On the blackboard, it is extremely difficult to show this as the tree needs to be restructured every single time a new node is added, or the teacher needs to come up with prior values, which doesn't encourage student-teacher interaction. Now here we see how the addition of new values modifies the visualization. Now another use of this is the modification of the tree. We can easily delete nodes as we can see from the video. This is not really the case on a blackboard as the teacher would have to modify the whole tree. We can also see how an in-order traversal of the tree is being printed very easily. Next, we take a look at Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm. Here we see how to generate random new graphs, and we see how simply it is to start the algorithm through the press of a button. One important feedback that we got from teachers and students was the fact that they wanted more customizability. They wanted to be able to see different representations of the tree, and we have added these features as you can see from the video. Here we see that we have gotten feedback from 47 people, which included teachers as well as students. 80% of them were impressed with the product, 13% felt that more improvement was needed, and the rest did not feel the need for such a product. Upon release, our aim is to reach 10 institutions in the first month and try to scale it up to 50 by the end of 3 months. As for our launch timeline, we are currently planning to try out the MVP on a trial basis at our very own campus and a couple of schools if possible. Our main aim is to gather data on students' performances after using the product. In the meantime, we plan to finish developing the algorithmic language so that we can incorporate it in the final product and start marketing using the given data. Thank you.